We're going to do embellishments ribbon, and then the last one is going to be our designer series paper. So there is one of these holly leaves here somewhere. There, you can see that a little bit better. They're like a little bit, almost like a fabric. This is loose. They're little sort of daisies. Open leaf trinkets. I should have one out, but they're fairly large trinkets. Some trim. That one should say new on it. It's never been used. And then I have a bunch of ribbon. Now the ribbon is really well priced. $3, $5. They are in different colors. So just let me know if you do want some colors, what kind of colors you would like. Because there's a bunch in here. There's the natural tones, whoops, the natural tones up here. This is early espresso, that's petal pink, lemon lime twist, pool party, garden green, balmy blue, night of navy. This is a denim. This here is a iridescent white. This is, what is that one? Mango Melody, maybe? Daffodil Delight, Cherry Cobbler. This is last year's. And what was that? Shy Shamrock. This is some iridescent twine for Christmas. This is Petunia Pop. Summer Splash. I should know all of these. Copper Clay, Mauve. Nope. Yes. Moody Mauve, Wild Wheat, and that's for the ink pad, and I have paper to go with that. This is Pebbled Path, Petal Pink again, as well as just white, a diagonal. This is Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, So Saffron, what was that one now? That one was Orchid Oasis, yes, and this is Starry Sky. And then there's a set of 3 here, the Bubble Bath, the Azure Afternoon, and the Lemon Lolly. Might as well do these ones too. This is Fresh Freesia, Positively Pink, and Pale Papaya, and So Saffron. Okay, how about some embellishments? That's Elegant Faceted Gems. Whoops, already did those, sorry. This one here is called the 2426 In Color Resin Dots, this guy. And I've tried to put on these how full they are. So I've counted them all up and figure out how much is still left there. So that one's a new one. I did open it, but I didn't use them at all. These are great little rocks. These are a little bit heavier, so know that, I would suggest you want to use a little bit more glue with those. They are adhesive, but a little bit of glue will be great for setting them. Okay, that's it. Oh, 2 more things. I have 2 kits. This is the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit, so like a kit up to Christmas. Sorry, lost what that is right now, and maybe you can put it in the comments. This one is a kit from a little while ago, Expressions in Color. It's beautiful. It looks like alcohol ink. Okay, on to the designer paper.